I'm going to use the soap bar. First, apply the soap. Let the soap get inside the brush. Start masking the area from the shoulder over here. Try to make it as precise as you can. That's good enough. Immediately, I will wash my brush. Okay, the paper already dry. Make sure it's totally dry before you start the painting. I'm going to start from the sky. And now let's take a look. Change the color like this. Just add the color to it. So I'm going to connect that over here. I'm having the brush flat and also have it just use the corner. This is the color for the sand. Let's see. That's good. I'm gonna paint it into this catch the shadow. I want to make this area have a little bit more gray color, so I'm gonna take this color, make it a little bit lighter. So I'm gonna glaze that over. And I'm going to just tap a smaller brush and give a little details into the water area. Now I'm gonna come back over here to reform. I will just use my finger. Now I'm using this brush. Now I'm gonna mix the skin color. First I'm gonna put the color in the skin area first. I think I need a little bit more yellow and red color, so I'm gonna make it a little bit brighter. Now the color we're going to change a little bit, have a little bit more blue. I'm going to mix the really dark color for the hair. I'm going to paint it into the shape of the hair. I'm going to mix a little gray color, but more like a little cool gray color. This would be the color we want. Showing the structure. I'm looking at the back, has a little bit darker color, so a little bit lighter. I'm going to lift up a little highlight on the shoulder. That's good. And a little bit here too. Using lifting up, it can create very smooth, subtle highlight, but also remain the transition very smooth, which is helpful for the skin. And when you think about contrast, dark and light, and less about the color, I'm gonna make this shadow a little bit better. And have this a little bit gray color over here and form the dimension a little bit better, like that. Showing a dimension moving like this and turning. See you next time.